In this question number 4, the following numbers k plus 3, k plus 2, 3k minus 7 and 2k minus 3 are in proportion. Find the value of the k. So whenever four numbers are in proportion, if a, b, c, d, they are in proportion, then a is to b is equals to c is to d. So using this, we can write like a by b is equal to c by d. Same rule you can apply for this. K plus 3, k plus 2. That means k plus 3 divided by k plus 2 is equals to 3k minus 7 divided by 2k minus 3, because these are in proportion. So therefore you can do the cross multiplication and find out. First fraction numerator into second fraction denominator. So k plus 3 into 2k minus 3 is equals to again k plus 2. Second fraction denominator into first fraction second fraction numerator, first fraction denominator. So 3k minus 7. We can multiply this, both the sides will simplify, we'll get the value of the k. Just k into 2k. So 2k square minus 3k. Right? With this you should multiply both the terms. Plus 3 into 2k. Again 6k minus 9. There is LHS part. And this side is a 3k square minus 7k, the k into minus 7, plus 2 into 3k is a 6k minus 7 2 is a 14. Same, we can cancel both the sides, plus 6k plus 6 cancel, remaining terms take one side, that is simplify again. 2k square minus 3k minus 9 is equals to 3k square minus 7k minus 14. These three terms take RHS. Then 3k square minus 2k square is the k square, minus 7k plus 3. Minus 7 plus 3 it is. So minus 4k. Minus 14 plus 9. So minus 5 then is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. If you factorize this, you will get the value of the k. Simple. Splitting in the middle term. That is the k square minus 4 we can write minus 5k plus k, because minus 5 plus 1 is again minus 5 is equal to 0. Take the k common, k minus 5 plus 1 common, k minus 5. You know already factorization. So k minus 5 into k plus 1 is equal to 0. Then k is equals to 5 or k is equals to minus 1. So these are the both solutions for this, either 5 or minus 1, the value of the k. In this problem, solve for x. The quadratic equation is x square minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0, and give your answer correct to three significant figures. We can do this problem in two ways. One, we can apply the formula. If it is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a general form of quadratic equation. And for this, to find out value of x, minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this formula I can apply for this to find out the x value. You can apply this formula and do, and or else you can use other method also. So let me show you in this method first. It's easy. Just you can remember the formula, you can apply directly. So x is equals to, but here is a given question is x square minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. So from this, a is equals to 1, in the place of b is minus 4, c is equals to minus 8, constant. Then x is equals to minus b is minus 4 again. Okay, formula is minus b value is minus 4, and plus or minus root b square minus 4 square minus 4 into a into c is minus 8, and divide by 2a. 2 into a value is 1. We'll simplify this. 4 plus or minus under root minus 4 whole square is 16, and minus to minus plus 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 8 32, divided by 2 into 1 is 2. This is the value of x. Let us simplify this to find out the values. Yes, now 4 plus or minus 32 plus 16, 48, divided by 2. 4 plus or minus, and 48 is not perfect square, and we can write 3 into 16. 3 into 16 is 48, right? Because 16 is a perfect square, that I multiply with 3 into this and divide by 2. 4 plus or minus, separate this, root 3 into root 16. Root 16 is 4, so 4 root 3, divide by 2. Take 2 common from the numerator. 2 plus or minus 2 root 3, divide by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Finally, we got 2 plus or minus 2 root 3. This is the value of x. So we have the two solutions now. So therefore, one is x is equals to 2 plus 2 root 3, or again x is equals to 2 minus 2 root 3. Substitute the values. 2 plus 2 into root 3 value 1.732. Up to 3 significant figures they said, right? So you can take this. Then that is a 2 plus 2 into 1.732. So the 3.464. You can just add this. That is 5.464, one answer. Or, and x is equals to one more, 2 minus same 2 into 1.732. So 2 minus 3.464. You subtract, this answer will become a negative, minus 1.460. Okay, this 5.464 minus 1.460. These are the both values in 3 significant figures. You can apply directly. So just remember the formula. If it is not perfectly factorized, then you can apply this formula for this. And we have same next question is about construction. This question number 4. The construction videos are available in our channel. You can go through from that.